Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheesecake using paneer. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of fresh paneer, 150 grams of digestive biscuits, and 50 grams of melted butter. To start the crust, crush the biscuits very finely. Then, mix them thoroughly with the melted butter. Press this buttery biscuit mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring an even and compact base for your cheesecake. Next, let's prepare the creamy filling. Take 200 grams of paneer and blend it thoroughly until it's incredibly smooth, with no lumps remaining. In a large bowl, combine the smooth paneer with 250 grams of softened cream cheese and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Gently mix in 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and just a small pinch of salt until everything is well combined. Now it's time to bake your delicious creation. Carefully pour the creamy paneer filling over the prepared biscuit crust in your springform pan. Place it into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the very center still has a slight, gentle wobble when lightly shaken. Avoid overbaking for the best texture. Once baked, it's essential to let your cheesecake cool completely. First, allow it to cool at room temperature on a wire rack for about 1 hour. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, but ideally overnight. This crucial chilling period allows the cheesecake to set perfectly, firm up, and truly develop its rich, delicious flavors. Garnish with fresh berries or a fruit compote before serving. Enjoy your homemade paneer cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.